Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your Windows edition supports the NFS client and get the server IP, export path, and any credentials. Open an elevated PowerShell prompt now. This is faster than digging through settings. Run the optional feature install command to enable client for NFS and then reboot if prompted. Once done, check the services panel for the NFS client to ensure it's running. These steps prepare Windows so you can mount the export in the next phase. Now you mount the share. From an elevated command prompt, pick a drive letter and run the mount command with options that match the server. Specify protocol version, anonymous or credentialed access, and mount type. For example, mount OAnon vers equals 3 server /export z. If you need persistence, script the mount at logon or use a scheduled task. Make sure Windows firewall rules permit NFS traffic and verify name resolution. If necessary, add the server to your host's file so Windows reaches the right address. Finish by testing simple file operations. Create, read, and delete a file to validate permissions and behavior. If you encounter permission errors or empty listings, check Event Viewer for client errors, then confirm the NFS server export settings and UID/GID mappings. Mismatched ID cause access denials. If the mount won't persist, remove it and remount with corrected options, or consider switching to SMB if Windows integration is required. A key troubleshooting tip: verify time sync.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.